This is a miniature desert made entirely from the most useless materials: sand, stone, dead leaves, pine cones, some wire, and cotton. Stuff we usually throw away turned into this. We crafted an adventurous landscape and added a bunch of tigers, horses, and even a cute baby elephant to the scene. And the results were truly unlike anything we've created before. So, here is the story of day 14. For the start, we brought some sand to the studio and poured it onto the desk. Ironically, it used to be a PC desk, but now it's retired and serves as the base for our miniature worlds. Diaco began shaping the sand and adding leaves, stones, and cones to the scene. Meanwhile, I hung a white plastic sheet in the background and tried casting light through a blue water container to create the effect of a blue sky. No need to mention, we're still on a budget and we totally embrace it. Working within limits has pushed us to become more creative and use whatever's around us. Compared to the previous world we built out of salt, this one feels much more refined. We also experimented with creating clouds this time. Using wires, we built a basic structure and attached cotton to it, making them look and feel like clouds. It was completely new for us, and we're so excited to share the results with you guys. One of my main struggles with lighting is creating colored background, especially blue or any other vibrant tones. Today, I tried something new, using colorful plastic document folders to create glowing effects. I had a few of these lying around, the kind I used to store documents in, so I cut them up and placed them in front of the lights. This gave me a nice red glow for the background. It's all about experimenting with whatever's on hand, and I think this little hack worked pretty well. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure to like the video. It's gonna be a huge help for our small channel. So here are our favorite images of day 14, and the Epic Award goes to this image. Take care guys, see you!